So I guess I got to click that button. Hey, welcome back. We're going to learn Morse code. But first, I have announcements and news and all that stuff because, things happen in the world. And this is a live stream of me learning Morse code. And also, it's my YouTube channel and my Twitch stream where I also share things about things that are going on. First of all, on my long list of things oh man, I'm all tangled up. Anyway, stuff I'm not supposed to say, just want to say. I want to say a quick thank you to N0SSC Scott, who runs the QTH.com, hosting this thing on the screen on the TV. So we had YOTA Region 2, our Youth on the Air organization, which is running a camp this year for young people. It was being hosted by GoDaddy, and don't ask me why, reasons. And everyone knows GoDaddy sucks. It was actually really slow. And then we also wanted to, because we had some naming, like we wanted to change the name of the thing to Youth on the Air.org. I can't type when I speak. See all my domain manager stuff. And have that, redirect to YOTA Region 2, because we had it in GoDaddy and it would have been like $60 every time we did something on there. And the SSL was a problem, and so we were like, screw it. We're ditching GoDaddy, and we went to K9FOXQTH.com. And he set us up like within, I don't know, it was a matter of hours. Like it was all said and done like today. And now the hosting is perfect. It's super fast. It was really slow before, and it is like a fraction of the cost, including like SSL certificate, website, unlimited, all this. There's a bunch of stuff. I'm going to switch all my websites over to this because I thought, back in the day, I thought this was like some guy running all these hams websites on a server in his basement because, His own website is from, it looks like it's from the 90s. But let me correct myself. It is just HTML. It's not anything, crazy or good. It's doing what it's supposed to do, and there's no problem with that. Ham-radio websites just have this kind of esoteric, they're from the 90s. Like they never changed when HTML5 came about, but not a bad thing. It works. But then I looked into it, and he actually runs this off of a legit hosting. I forget the name of it, but look at all the people who have these websites, and they're all hams, and a couple aren't, like Willow's Basketry. I don't know. I wanted to take another look at it. It's Liquid Web, high performance web hosting, and it's pretty awesome. It's legit. This is in his basement. This is 100% legit, and it's probably the best cost I've ever seen for a hosting website. Speaking of Youth on the Air, we have a 2-for-1 donation match for our YOTA camp because Steve KM9G donated a whole bunch of money, and so he's offered for us to. He's offered. What am I trying to say? If you give $1, he gives $1, up to $4,000. That's it. And so there's this matching program going on. So if you want to donate to our YOTA camp, which is in 2020, which is this year, which is coming up really soon, and we can send 30 campers there who are under the age of 25 and above the age of 15, donate via PayPal, donate via GoFundMe, and you can also use our Amazon Smile link, and you can also send a check to the Electronic Applications Radio Service in Indiana, which is our 501c3, kind of doing the whole background sort of thing. All right, that's it. That's all the news there is. Back to Morse code. My chat things are flashing, and hi Molo, K2CR from Lay Reddit, who is on IRC, who isn't actually chatting anywhere. I need to make sure that's also working. Is it working? No one said anything, so great. Perfect, just like normal. Okay. I'm going to come back and check this in a minute. But for now, check it out. So we skipped a day. Oh no, we skipped a day. Oh no, we lost all of the Morse code that we learned. Oh no. Just kidding. We did learn a lot from Chris Barber, which was pretty awesome. I think I got some pretty good comments and some pretty good emails from that episode, and they're starting to come in, which is really awesome. I have an email that I want to share, but I won't share it until he responds, and if I need to take anything out. But I wanted to share it with the live stream just because it's somebody out there is learning with me, and it's inspiring, and it also has quite a surprising implication, or not really implication, but I came to a sudden realization when I got his email, which I will say for you once he gives me a thumbs up that I can share it all. So yeah, all right, I'm just so hyped. Many things are going on. A lot of people are like very good in the world, but also very bad. I guess everything is in balance, but mostly good for now. I don't know. I need to shut up and learn Morse code. Actually, today I went to my club's EOC that I mentioned to Chris, and I sat down and I listened to Real CW, and literally all I could figure was like, and I could hear it was like, imagine real fast Morse code is going by, and I was like, P, oh, that's M, J, and I was like, 4, because I know some of the numbers. But out of a whole sentence, that's pretty much all I figured out. So I got some learning to do. Let's do that learning now. Oh, it's all caps today. I forgot that one. That was why. Hmm? Oh, wait, what? That was C? Why did that sound like C? I missed that whole group. I just had a random thought. What do you call it? And not an impulsive thought, but a intrusive thought that just came in and just like short-circuited my brain there. So I guess since we didn't do CW yesterday, this is how it turns out. It's how it ends up. We didn't do good. We meaning me, but I'm a ham, so I'm we. Oh. Okay. Come on, we gotta pass it. We gotta pass it. Been on V for like 3 days straight. J and W is messing me up. I got all the time in the world to figure this one out. Da 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 da. That one. Yeah, that didn't help. Man, I can't even get. I did worse. What was I doing? I was trying to figure out that one, the equals the BK, and let all 5 of those somehow. Like, I guess I tried to figure that one out. Figured that one out. Not even tried. I just skipped those and was here and I was like, what was that? What was that? And then these 3 already proceeded. So I got 5 whole errors off of that. Bummer. If I wouldn't have gotten those, would I have passed? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. I suck. But we prevail. Ooh. Wait, I pulled such a cool trick. I shouldn't have done that. I was trying to figure out what that character was. I had it in my mind, the sound, while I got O, O, and Z. And when this came around, I control arrow back to the beginning of the word and put in my F. And I was like, yes. And then I realized, oh, no. I lost 4. I got 4 errors for the price of 1. Mike said you were doing 4 words per minute last night. Do faster. Cause like what it like. I mean, no, I shouldn't say that. But the way I have always been told to like do this, and the way the Coke method works is to do it. Is to learn the characters at the speed at which you want to conversate, and then obviously have the wider spacings between the characters, so you're not struggling to keep yourself from counting. The human brain can go really fast. Like people do like 60 words per minute after they've been trained for a really, very long time. But like I think 20 words per minute, even 15. I think most rag chews are around 15. Because it's not like I don't know. Maybe my brain is different. Maybe it's just because I've been doing this for a long time that it's a little easier to me. But I never like it when I hear people running like 5 words per minute because it's super slow, and it's understandable you're trying to learn it for the first time. But if you learn it for the first time at a 20 words per minute rate, isn't that like better? I don't know, man. But when I first started, like back in 2008, 2007, and I was doing CW, trying to write. I'm improving your messages, Mike. Oh, here I am rambling and I'm clicking all over the place, and you're saying 20 words per minute characters, 4 words per minute spacing. My bad. Very cool. That's more like it. And I'm doing 5, so you're not very far behind me at all. Let's take a quick break. Where? What am I doing? Okay, let's go back to lessons. No, not Morse machine. Although I could do Morse machine for a while and just kind of like, you know what? Let's do that. Let's do Morse machine for a while until I'm tired of it. And see, this is this will buzz. I'm gonna make it not buzz because buzzes are dumb. F. So as you can kind of tell, there's no, it doesn't, it just waits till you actually send it. And Morse machine is a fully automatic Morse code teaching machine. Let me center it. Which, you know, obviously is made on Windows XP or before that. But it starts you out with a few characters, and this is like the Q7G, like that kind of thing where it waits till the very end for you to learn like the HSITE. Those are did or 4 dits, 3 dits, 2 dits, 1 da, and a dit. So interesting like way they do that. Q is like one of the hardest letters, so why not put it first? I guess. But this is it uses this spacing, but I don't think it does automatic addition. Like when I was doing, like, I think it was KM, I was doing K&M for like 10 or 15 minutes, and it was like all of these were down at the bottom. But yeah, they weren't. It wasn't progressing automatically. You have to click the button. So yeah, but it does save stats, so that's pretty cool. All right. Nope. The letters I have the hardest time with are the ones that I'm spending the most time trying to figure out. Da da da. So you can probably figure that out. W and J for some reason in the last 2 days or last 2 lessons, because W is da da and J is da da da. Is my guess. I don't. I just kind of speculate. Nope. Da 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 da. And why? This one, F. Oh. No, L, not O. What was that? Da-da-da-da. F. Nope. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. F. Da-da-da-da. Dang it. Da-da-da-da. Come on. It's P. Duh. I clicked out. So I guess I'm not improving because, like, well, so I did see. So this is the effective. It calculates your effective words per minute while you're running it. And so mine's like 3.5, just because I'm spending so much time spending on J and W. But I don't know. Let's go back to lessons. Maybe it's because I'm sleepy again. I got 4 hours of sleep last night, so again a little. Oh, wait, I'm not changing the lesson. I'm trying to cheat. I want to cheat. Did it audit? God. Oh man. Okay, I gotta get back in the hype of not on Morse machine. What's wrong with me? Get my mulligan. Take my mulligan. Can't tell me what to do. You're the internet. You can't tell me what to do. I want to know what that is. Did it audit? What's that? Question mark? This is really hard. So maybe Morse machine has spoiled me. I'm just gonna blame Morse machine. I'm gonna give it a couple more goes and then call it a day. How many attempts has it been? Oh, it's been a lot of attempts. I'm not gonna lie. Even worse. I don't know why YouTube just doesn't get it. It doesn't get it. It doesn't understand that people on my stream only, sending random characters is not spam. TechNet tonight. I might go on to TechNet. It's at 7:30, so. What happened? Mulligan. That wasn't terrible. Yes! Yeah! Got past that stupid V. Something just clicked. Like, it just suddenly... I was better at learning or knowing Morse code, especially Y. I don't know why, but Y came through. G. Oh, wait. Did we do G? Am I jipping myself out? I thought I did G. This is going to be so annoying if I did G already. Yeah, I did G. I went to 22. See? I got 21. Almost 100. I got 100% on 21. Then I went to G. And then somehow I went back to 21, which is not G. Why? This is fine. This is fine. We surmounted a struggle. We passed it, and now we're on to G again. And let's see if we can do that one more time. Oh my god, what? What is this? I can't even zoom into it. 10.5%. I refuse to believe this. Oh well. I've had enough of it for one day. I'm sure you've had enough of it as well. All right. 70th. Well, first of all, let me read it. My shout out to Scott K9FOX of QTH.com. This is not a sponsored ad or anything. I forgot to mention in the beginning. I just wanted to point out that his stuff is awesome because he changed over the YOTA Region 2 website in a matter of hours, from GoDaddy to QTH.com hosting. Ding. So that's what I said earlier. And that's what I'll sign off on. 73, thanks for learning Morse code with me and Mike Clemens in the chat. I know there was a handful of you out there watching, like 3 or 4 of you. So good job. Catch you tomorrow. Actually, maybe not, because tomorrow and the whole weekend is Winterfest. which is our Hamfest that happens every year next weekend. And on Friday is the first rendition of the West Shum W9DYV Symposium, which has all these cool things going on. And then after that is a dinner. So it ends at 4:30, and I didn't buy any tickets to the dinner, the DX and ARRL banquet, which will be interesting because our Midwest Division Director will be there, and everyone's going to probably ask him, hey, what's the deal at ARRL? But that goes on. See, Ward Silver is talking right when I'm supposed to be learning CW, so we'll see if that happens. And again, I was invited to go, but I didn't buy any tickets, so I feel bad if I go. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Screw it. I'll live stream from here while Ward is giving a conversation on Radio Sport. I'm not going to do that. That would be very disrespectful. I'll go out into the hallway or something. Oh, and yes, Mike, you're right. Winter Field Day is this weekend, coming to a winter near you. And in fact, right now it's snowing, and I would not want to go out there. But Winter Field Day is right here. It's just like the normal field day, except in the winter. Go to winterfieldday.com for all the rules and stuff. All right. I'm done. 73, everybody. See you maybe Sunday, because Saturday's actually whatever. See you at some time. I'll keep you informed on my Twitter at N0SSC. All right, 73 for real this time.